Ever wondered why, in the biblical story, demons begged Jesus to send them into pigs? Today we're going to delve into this peculiar narrative that unfolds in 3 different books of the Bible: Matthew, Mark, and Luke. It's a strange request, isn't it? Why would these expelled spirits choose to inhabit pigs of all creatures? What makes this choice so intriguing? What's the deeper meaning behind it? Stick around to delve into the intriguing reasons behind this peculiar request. Before diving into the why, it seems necessary to first revisit the what. Let's travel back in time to the biblical narrative found in the Gospel of Mark, chapter 5. Here, Jesus and his disciples arrive in the region of the Gerasenes, where they encounter a man living among the tombs, tormented by an unclean spirit. The man, wild and uncontrollable, had often been bound with shackles and chains, but he would break the chains apart, and no one had the strength to subdue him. One day, Jesus approaches this man. The demons within him, recognizing Jesus as the Son of the Most High God, fall to their knees. They plead with Jesus not to torment them. The demons, who reveal themselves as legion, for they are many, make a peculiar request. Rather than being cast out of the region, they beg to be sent into a herd of pigs feeding on the nearby hillside. Jesus grants this request, and the unclean spirits leave the man, entering the pigs. The herd, now possessed, rushes down the steep bank into the lake and drowns. This story, rich with symbolism and intrigue, leaves us with many questions. Chief among them, why did the demons ask Jesus to be sent into the pigs? With the story fresh in our minds, we can now explore the possible reasons behind this unusual request. In the context of ancient Jewish culture, pigs held a distinctive symbolism. They were more than just animals. They were a statement of what was considered impure and unclean. In the Jewish dietary laws, the consumption of pork was strictly forbidden. Pigs were seen as the epitome of uncleanness, a symbol of everything that was contrary to the holy and the divine. Now consider the demons' request in this light. By asking to enter the pigs, they were not just seeking a new host, but perhaps making a statement of their own. They chose the very symbol of uncleanness, of everything that was repugnant to the Jewish culture. In this way, the demons' request was not just practical, but symbolic, a reflection of their nature and their intent. This cultural symbolism offers one piece of the puzzle, but there's more to consider. Beyond symbolism, could there have been a strategic motive behind the demons' request? Some scholars suggest the demons, in their cunning, might have requested the pigs to cause a spectacle. They argue that by compelling a herd of swine to rush headlong into a lake, the demons aimed to create a scene of turmoil and confusion, effectively instilling fear into the hearts of onlookers. Others propose an economic angle. Pigs were valuable assets in that time and region. By driving them to their demise, the demons could have been attempting to disrupt the local economy, thereby continuing their reign of chaos and suffering. Yet another theory posits that the demons sought to undermine Jesus' authority by causing such a public commotion. By doing so, they hoped to turn public sentiment against him. This strategic viewpoint provides another perspective on the demons' unusual request. It takes us beyond the surface, into a realm of cunning and complex warfare. In reflecting on these theories, we gain a deeper understanding of this biblical event. We revisited the story from the Bible, where demons pleaded with Jesus to be cast into a herd of pigs. We dived into the symbolism of pigs in various cultures, highlighting their association with uncleanliness and sin. We also analyzed the strategic motive behind this unusual request, suggesting that it could have been a ploy by the demons to create a spectacle and spread fear. The truth, however, remains veiled in mystery. Was it a symbolic act, a strategic move, an unfathomable whim of the supernatural beings? Or maybe it was a combination of all these factors. We are left with more questions than answers. But isn't that the beauty of such ancient texts? They leave room for interpretation, sparking endless discussions and debates. While we may never know the exact reason, exploring these theories enriches our understanding of this intriguing biblical event.